How to tie a broach loop knot. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Alpha 1982, your YouTube Paracord community. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound, and that you're ready for today's project. So if you want to learn how to create this awesome decorative paracord knot, stay with us because tutorial is right around the corner. And one more thing, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and the family, and hit that bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new content. Enjoy! So let's start tying this awesome paracord knot. We're gonna take this sky blue and we're gonna simply find the center of a cord, or you can do a smaller, this end can be smaller. So we're gonna take this right strand and make it on top of the left one, like so. I'm gonna zoom a bit, and now from here we're gonna take this now right strand cord, passing on top and creating the 8-figure shape, and we're gonna make it on top of that 8-figure. And then from here we're gonna simply take this end and make it under, and from here we're gonna enter into this loop or a gap in from the back side, so like this, and to the bottom end of a 8-figure. Now from here we're gonna simply make it around from the back through the loop here, and then from the top into the loop here, and we're gonna pull it a bit. Now we're gonna take this end here and this end and a loop, and simply slowly pull it to form a knot. But before tightening it up, we're gonna rearrange or resize our loop on top, and now just pull this end. And here we are, our broach knot is finished, as you can see. From here we can either cut off this excess of a cord or leave it. Once more, if you wanna rearrange the size of a loop, you can simply pull it here, this end, like so, and then this end here. And as you can see, our loop is resized and our broach loop knot is finished, or it's tightened. Very simple, very fast, yet very decorative paracord knot. Now I'm gonna do the gold end a little bit faster. So as you can see, we finished our today's broach loop knots. If you like this, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and the family, and of course if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. Until then, stay safe, be well, and wishing you just best. Dale signing out. See ya. Bye.